ready to do this?
Yeah, man, you got the shit? What?
Yes, I have the shit. It is here with me in the ghetto.
Let me peep it, man.
Let you keep it?
Come on, man, let me check it out.
Oh, yes. You may check out a sample of the cocaine, or of the shit, the blow. So, Holmes. What did you say her name was again?
My name's Heidi fucking Ho, bitch.
Huh. Heidi ho. Howdy, Heidi ho. I'm kinky. So, you got any kids, or? You ever seen that show, Weeds? That's a good show. Kevin Nealon. Funny. The Sopranos, also good.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
2.5 Men.
Shit, man, you are a motherfucking cop, aren't you?
No, I am not an undercover agent involved in a federal sting operation.
I don't believe you, bitch.
No, dude, seriously, take the stuff. Give it a pop.
A puff?
Yeah, man. Give it a lick. A shot. A bounce. Yeah, you bounce it. Bounce that shit. That is 100% pure, uncut grass.
Man, you even know what you're selling?
Weed, acid, coke. No, yeah, coke. I meant coke. I do so much of this, sometimes I just get confused. You dig?
No, man. Don't dig. I think you're a motherfucking cop,
I'm
man.
not a cop. I'm a drug salesman.
A salesman!
Yeah, yo, yeah. I'm a criminal, yo. Bitch.
You're gonna tell me who the fuck you are right now? I'm gonna blow your fucking brains out.
Man, seriously, I ain't no cop.
I knew it! You are with a fucking cop! You probably wired too! I'm out of here!
No way, dude. No, that little girl was lying. Come back. You buy drugs from me. It's okay. Really. Suspect fled the scene.
Another one? Dave Cage, you the worst undercover cop ever.
Send him in for